This is a Microsoft Access database. If you don't have the Pro version of Office, you can't open it unless you download the free runtime engine from Microsoft. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the download. If you frequently deal with unusual ACCDB file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The ACCDB file format is the primary database format used by Microsoft Access versions 2007 through 2024. It supports a wide range of database features, including tables, queries, forms, reports, and macros. ACCDB files can store large amounts of data and are often used for small to medium-sized business applications, providing a robust and user-friendly database solution. ACCDB files utilize a proprietary database engine developed by Microsoft. They support features like data validation, referential integrity, and stored procedures. The format is designed for multi-user access and includes locking mechanisms to prevent data corruption. ACCDB files can also be password protected and encrypted for enhanced security. The most common, market-leading program for ACCDB is Microsoft Access from Microsoft. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows displays only the file shell, while full content access requires a database application. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your ACCDB file and hit Open With. Try the recommended Microsoft Access first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If you cannot access the ACCDB file, no problem. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test the specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the ACCDB error. First, use Microsoft Access. Open the file using Microsoft Access version 2007 or newer, as this is the required application for the database structure. Next, run Compact and Repair. Open Access, go to Database Tools tab, and select Compact and Repair Database to fix corruption and reduce file size. Finally, check Security, Permissions. Check File Permissions, Read-Write Access, and ensure the file is not blocked by Windows Security. Also check for a locked.ldb file in the same directory. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.